Hello and welcome! In this How to Draw video, we'll be drawing Mr. Tall. That's right, he's a very tall character. Yeah, so we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay, let's get drawing. Alright, so I've got a paper and got a pen. He's going to be a very tall character, so he's going to fill up the whole page.
Yeah.
So I think we'll start off with drawing the body. So his body is a nice big circle shape. Now when we draw, we're going to have to leave little gaps for his arms and his legs. Alright, so I'm just going to start up the top here. Nice circle, and then just stop there. So it's like a bit of a semicircle. We're going to leave a little gap, because that's where his arm is going to be. And we go down, and just stop at the bottom there. We can leave a little gap there for his legs. And do the same going up there, like that. Okay, so let's draw his arms and his legs. He's actually got very short arms. A little bit like this. Yep. And then he's got, we're going to draw 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll do the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is right. Okay, so let's draw his face, nice and simple. So he's got 2 oval eyes, like that, and I'm going to colour them in black because they're normally black, but if you want to do a different colour, that is fine. And next we're going to do his mouth. So there's one big smile. So draw a semicircle like that. And up the top there, we're just going to put a couple of little curves there. Or you can do it like the touch. You can have an open mouth, show his tongue and his teeth as well. Alright, now we're going to draw a little hat on the top. So we're just going to draw a straight line. Now actually, you'll notice his character, his hat normally just floats above his head. It's actually not on his head, but you can put it on his head or you can make it float above it. So draw a line, and then we draw another line up here like this, and it's just basically a lot of triangles put together.
It looks like a crown.
It sort of does, doesn't it? Yeah. Alright, so next part we're going to draw is his legs. He's got very long legs, so let's start drawing this, and you can go as far as you like. You're going to stop here, and at the bottom I'm just going to go across and then back up again. Alright, so it looks, at the moment, it looks like a rectangle, but in the middle, we're going to draw another line and it will separate his legs out there.
It won't look like he only got one toe
leg. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so nearly done. So we're going to draw his shoe. So in the bottom here, we're going to draw another line straight down. And he's got a bit of a heel at the bottom there. Draw a nice curve like that, and then another sort of curve going up there like that. So he's got actually quite big shoes. So you did a really good job. Okay, so I'm going to do that.
It kind of looks like a fish. Like the head.
It sort of does, yeah, that's right. Now I've got some details on here as well. So there's a little line there for the heel of a shoe, and along the front he's got a bit of a curve there, and looks like he's got 2 lines, which are his laces there, like that.
Shoelaces.
Yeah, shoelaces, that's right. And at the end of this line, you can actually put a little circle there as well.
Or a dot.
Yeah. Okay. Alrighty, so that's Mr. Tall. Next step is to colour in. And we're back. So we finished colouring in Mr. Tall, and I think he looks wonderful. Are you happy with yours?
Yes.
Yeah, I think you did a great job. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you had lots of fun. Check out our other channel. We've got lots of other Mr. Men and Little Miss characters for you to draw as well. So I'll see you again next time. Bye.